One of the takeaways is that we believe that our faculty and our students are very digital savvy at this point. We realize now that there will be more demand for the use of our tools. There will be more interest in video production, for example, more interest in how do I create engaging content online within the course management system. And so now we're prepared to think of what's next too. How do we support that next level of creation of content? As we navigate this new landscape, we realize that we also need to consider what's available in our classrooms, and we're starting to have the conversations of what additional equipment and technology needs to be in most of the classrooms at Indiana University in order to support more hybrid instruction.
One of the biggest things that may come out of this is the interest in online course development. You know, so many faculty had never even done any type of online coursework before, or taught their course online. And I think what's going to happen here is some folks are going to kind of like say, hey, you know what? This actually worked out well for me. This may be something I want to continue on in the future. The whole virtual work from home, I think, is going to be a huge thing too. So I can see that still being a huge piece in the future, and also just being prepared for the next big thing, right, that may happen. So what would I do should something else happen in the future and I'm teaching a face-to-face course? I need to have plans in place, or I need to have a backup plan.
Many of the faculty members that we've worked with over the course of the last few months have shown an incredible dedication to their students, and that's been very energizing and pleasing for me to see. Faculty members who realize that they have to structure their courses in new ways to help students succeed, who have to teach with a sense of empathy for students who are encountering not only the effects of COVID-19 on themselves, their families, their communities, but also who are dealing with new instructional models that are as different to them as they are to their instructors.
Even within UITS, all the units that work together came together in order for, to meet that main need. How do we get our faculty the resources they need? And also, how do we make sure that what they're developing and creating is going to support the students and be good, so that the students can still have the best experience possible.